If you've been searching for a move-in ready Pennsylvania home with land and beautiful countryside views, this property is definitely worth a look. Set on 4+ peaceful acres just minutes from town, this fully furnished ranch-style home offers comfort, convenience, and space to enjoy the outdoors. this property offers plenty of possibilities. Step inside and you'll find a bright, open floor plan that connects the kitchen, dining area, and living room into one welcoming space. The layout makes everyday living simple, while also creating a great setting for gathering with family or entertaining guests. Natural light flows throughout the home, adding warmth and making the interior feel comfortable and inviting. The home includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, offering flexibility for family, guests, or even a home office. Because the property is being sold fully furnished, moving in could be as easy as bringing your personal belongings and settling right in. One of the most exciting features is the full basement, which provides a blank canvas for future possibilities. Whether you imagine creating a home gym, a workshop, extra storage, or even finishing the space for additional living areas, the basement gives you room to expand and customize. Outside, the spacious 2-car garage adds convenience and plenty of storage for vehicles, tools, and equipment. The surrounding acreage offers room for gardening, outdoor activities, or simply enjoying the peaceful setting. With stunning sunrises in the morning and colorful sunsets in the evening, this property offers the kind of quiet lifestyle many people dream about, while still being just minutes from town. It's a wonderful opportunity to enjoy country living with comfort, space, and convenience.